Hey, would you like to learn the basics of accounting in your small business? So in this episode, I'm going to be breaking down 5 basic accounting terms to help you navigate through your business financials today and into the future. Welcome to the Digital Transformation Academy. My name is Dennis Hilario and I'm here to help you in your digital transformation journey. Let the show begin. So welcome to the podcast. It is Monday morning, November 16, 2020. You're listening to Digital Transformation Academy, Season 4, Episode number 1. My name is Dennis Hilario and I'm going to give you my best thoughts and tips about digital transformation, creativity, and innovation. So for today, I'm going to give you 5 basic accounting terms that may help you in your small business or entrepreneurial journey. Okay, so let's start with the most basic accounting term, which is accounting. So what is accounting? So according to Wikipedia, accounting is the measurement, processing, and communication of business information about companies or corporations. So when you say measurement, it is referring to financial reports such as balance sheet, P&L, and cash flows. And then when it comes to processing, so it is the actual documentation and recording of the transactions. It's the process of the bookkeeping of your transactions. And then when you say communication, we're talking about accounting as the language of business. So that's term number 1. Term number 2 is accounting period. So an accounting period is the span of time covered by a set of financial statements. So this period defines the time range over which business transactions are accumulated into financial statements. So normally in the Philippines, we have 12 calendar period, which is from January to December. While some other companies, they have fiscal year. For example, for schools, their fiscal year is from June to May. And other international companies are from October to September the following year. So that will be the basis of your tax reporting to the government and also your financial statement analysis. Term number 3 is accounts payable. So accounts payable or AP is the amount of money a company owes to its creditors like suppliers, payees, or vendors. So it is in return for goods or services they have delivered. So trade payables or accounts payable trade constitute the money a company owes to its vendors for inventory-related goods such as business supplies or materials that are part of the inventory. While the non-trade payables constitute the money a company owes for non-inventory related goods such as payroll, reimbursements, etc. or salaries. The next term is accounts receivables. So it's like accounts payable but the other way around. It is the amount of money owed by customers or clients to business after goods or services have been delivered and or used. So normally, accounts receivables are set up if your business issues a sales invoice to the customer. That's where you recognize your sales and your accounts receivables at the same time. Okay, so the 5th term or the last term for today that I want to discuss is accrual. So accrual is the actual recognition of the expense or revenue that has occurred but has not yet been paid or recorded. So for example, if Meralco issues a bill to you for the month of November, but you pay it for the month of December, the following month, you would want to accrue it in November because you have incurred the expense on the month of November instead of the month you paid the utility. On the other hand, if you issue an invoice to your customers, you recognize the sales on the day you issued the invoice or the day you have delivered the goods instead of the day you have collected the money from your customer. So that's what you call the accrual process of accounting. So that is it for today for the Accounting Basics series. And stay tuned for more accounting terms, accounting practices, and more about digital transformation in the future. Question of the day. So what are your products that you offer to your customers? I'd like to hear from you by giving me feedback on the comment section below. And if you haven't already, kindly consider smashing the like button and pressing the subscribe button so you can tune in to future content such as this. And kindly check out my Accounting Starter digital course for small business that was launched last October 31st. So in that course, you can actually fast track your knowledge about basic accounting practices or best accounting practices, government compliance, and whatnot. You can also check it out in the below link section. So thank you so much. DX your life and business. Have a great day.